guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a coloring tutorial for, for this theme. And I'm going to do a theme tutorial in my next video, like a long time. So I'm not going to do it. And here's the account that, it's for, I guess. So yeah, you can go check it out. And I also made a edit account because I like editing, so you can also go check this account out. Yeah, so now let's get to the coloring tutorial. So first you want to save a video of whoever you want to edit. Then you want to go on to, color tone. And you want to import the video. And then you're going to put Avalon, the filter Avalon, to 90. And then you're going to save it. Okay, then you're going to go back to, then you're going to go to Precool, and you are going to import the video. And you are going to put the exposure down to 100, negative 100, the contrast to 75, negative 75, and the highlights to negative 50. Or no, negative 50, sorry. And the shadows to negative 100. Wait, no, this goes to 75. So both the contrast and highlights to negative 75. Then you're going to put sharpen to 25, haze to 100, glow to 10, and aberration to 25. Aberration, I don't know. And you're going to put blur to however much you want. Then you're going to put the filter dust, and you are going to put the filter to 75. And then you're going to put the filter Stockholm at 100. And after this, you're just going to add your text. And as I said, I'll do a theme tutorial in my next video because it was just taking a long time. So yeah. Okay, so after you save it, wait, did I save it? Yeah. Okay, then you're going to add your text, and then you're going to go back onto color tone. Sorry. And you are going to add the filter Avalon to 100. And there you go. You have your amazing theme all done. And that's it. And the theme, or the filter, or no, the coloring might look different depending on the lighting of the video. So if your video is like super dark, okay, I deleted something. If the video is super dark, then the coloring might be darker. But if the video is filmed in like daylight, then the then the coloring will be lighter. So there you go. You have your coloring all done, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.